Hey fam, how you doing? Welcome to another day. Yes, another day on my channel. Yes, if it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe, and if it's your second time or third time, I appreciate you and thank you for always coming back and supporting me. On today's video, I'm going to share with you different habits that will help you become a better entrepreneur, a better business person. So as usual, I have my book over here and I'm gonna refer to my notes. Yes, habit number one that you need to have is plan your days all the time. If you can do it weekly, that's okay, but if you can do it even monthly, it's even way better. Even for the fun days, for any activity that you're gonna do, just make sure you plan it. Habit number two that you need to practice is that learn how to take breaks. Like, go for holidays if you can. Just go for, you don't have to go far, you can even take a break and go somewhere like just within Nairobi. If you're in Nairobi, just go somewhere and just relax and, you know, take breaks, because don't overwork yourself. If you overwork yourself, it will come back to you. Yeah, so don't overwork yourself, take breaks. Habit number three that you need to start practicing for you to become a better entrepreneur is to exercise. Yes, enroll in a gym if you can. You can work out from your house, you can do just different things. Just take some breaks and walk from your house to the shop, walk from your house to the church, whichever place. Just start exercising, because it will be very, very good for your body and even to you as an entrepreneur. Habit number four that you need to start practicing is keep learning. Yes, you need to always look for new things, always attend seminars, always do all these things that will help you better yourself and become a better entrepreneur. Habit number five that you need to have is work on a budget, like all the time. Like, always plan on what you're gonna buy, always plan on all those holidays. Just like point number one that I said, you need to plan your days ahead of time. That's the same way you need to plan when it comes to your money. Plan what you're gonna do with that particular money that you're getting, and you know, you'll be on the safe side and you'll become a better entrepreneur. Habit number six that you need to learn is choose wisely the people that you hang out with, because when you hang out with negative people who you don't share the same goal with, you'll end up getting distracted and you'll end up not even giving much into your business. Just stay with people who want the same thing as you, people who have the same goals as you. Cool. 7 that you need to learn is listen to understand and not to respond. And this one is something I've experienced in the past. There are clients that you'll meet who will give you feedback, so just learn how to listen to them, and if it's something that you did that is not right, just figure out how you're gonna make it right. So listen to understand and not to respond immediately, even to your friends. Yeah, this is something you can apply in your normal life. Yes, just listen to understand and, you know, you will be a good boss. Habit number 8 is that you should never be afraid to fail. When you're going into business, when you're starting your business, don't go with that mentality of fear. You have to drop one and have the faith. Walk in faith, like all the time. You can't have faith and fear at the same time. Drop one, pick faith, go with it, and you will always learn from your mistakes. So never be afraid to fail. You're not gonna be the first one, and failing does not mean it's the end. It's just, you know, something didn't go the right way, so you pick the lesson that you learn from it and start again and put all the energy towards something else. Cool. Habit number 9 that you need to start practicing also is prioritize. What is the most important thing? Like, on your to-do list, when you have clients work, which one is the most important? Plan with that. Even when it comes to you as a person and now your friends and all that, like all these social things that are happening, prioritize which one is the most important. Is it going for a seminar? Is it going for a birthday hangout? Is it going for whichever? Just prioritize everything and everything will go in place. Habit number 10, which is the last one that you need to practice, is to document each and every step of your business. Maybe I can explain a little. You need to document, because one day whatever you documented, you will use it as a motivation. Because when you started, let's say you just started in a small room, then the next time you go in a bigger room, so it will just encourage you and all that. And another way of looking at documenting your steps is also to keep history. Let's say you'll be celebrating 40 years of being in existence. You want to go back to uko nyuma, like when you started, you know. So just make sure you document every step of your way, and that will help you so much. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And until next time, guys, kisses to you.